Welcome to the in front of me NOKIA G11, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then scroll all the way down to the system section, then click to the advanced, and if the developer options, if they are activated, just click here on the ones on the switcher, and after that just tap here once on the switcher, click to restart the device, and let's just wait a little bit, maybe just 1 minute or half a minute. So now we can see that the screen lights up. So just I think 30 seconds, that will be enough, and after that we'll just go back to the system section and we'll see the result. So now just let's unlock the device, open again the settings app, scroll down to the system section, tap to advanced, and now we can see that developer options section is gone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.